Well, there are enclaves. There's the group that publishes Jugendruf, that has Yidish-Vokh. They have made an agreement. A young couple gets married, at least one of them speaks Yiddish to the children at all times. Sometimes when I listen, their Yiddish is different from my Yiddish because it's been learned as an adult. It's good Yiddish, it's literary Yiddish, it's dictionary Yiddish. It's a very intellectual Yiddish. I'm happy that it's going to be perpetuated that way. I don't know whether those children speak Yiddish. I had an experience where a little boy was at a conference, and I'm not going to remember his father's name, Corey Breyer, who's very active in the Volksbühne. So his father was at this meeting, as I was, and I was chewing gum at the time, and the kid comes over and he says, "Ich will a Stückel gum." And I said, "Darfst fragen dem Taten?" And he comes, so I gave him a piece of gum, and then he comes back, he finished chewing it, he gives me the wad of gum, he says, "It's Wilch chocolate." Sag ich, "Hab nicht." Sagt er, "Gib a guck, efscher wirst du gefinnen." So I said to the father, "Is this a midget?" He spoke perfect Yiddish. So obviously it can be passed on, but you have to make a concerted effort.